If you're looking for a completely legal way to watch movies for free, Hoopla is one of the best streaming services available in 2026. Unlike most free streaming platforms, Hoopla doesn't rely on ads. Instead, it partners with public libraries, allowing members to borrow movies, TV shows, audiobooks, ebooks, comics, and music at no cost with a valid library card. In this guide, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Hoopla. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure your local library supports Hoopla. Many public libraries in the United States, Canada, Australia, and other regions participate in the service. If your library is part of the program, you can sign up using your library card and an email address. If you're not sure whether your library participates, you can quickly check on Hoopla's official website before creating your account. Next, create your free Hoopla account. Visit the Hoopla website or download the mobile app, then enter your library card information to verify your account. Once you're signed in, you'll immediately have access to your library's digital collection. Now it's time to browse the movie library. Hoopla offers thousands of titles across genres like action, comedy, drama, horror, documentaries, family films, romance, and classic movies. Depending on your library's collection, you may also find recent releases, independent films, educational content, and popular TV series. Watching a movie is simple. Just select the title you want and start streaming instantly. Many titles can also be downloaded for offline viewing on supported mobile devices, making Hoopla a great option if you plan to travel or won't always have internet access. Hoopla works on a wide variety of devices. You can watch through a web browser, Android and iPhone devices, Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, Samsung Smart TVs, and several other supported platforms, allowing you to enjoy your favorite movies almost anywhere. One thing that makes Hoopla unique is that there are no advertisements during playback. Since the service is funded through participating libraries, you can enjoy your movies without commercial interruptions, creating a viewing experience that's much closer to a paid streaming service. Keep in mind that borrowing limits vary by library. Some libraries allow more monthly borrows than others, and each borrowed movie is available for a limited time before it's automatically returned. The good news is that there are no late fees, and you can simply borrow another title once it's available again. So, is Hoopla worth using in 2026? Absolutely. If your library participates, Hoopla is one of the best free streaming services available. It offers a large collection of movies, requires no subscription, has no ads, supports offline viewing, and gives you access to high-quality entertainment using nothing more than your library card. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite free streaming service.